In this class, we'll be specifically discussing about the searching technique, that is a linear search technique. So for that purpose, I will take help of one sample array. So here parallelly, I am preparing notes for you. This whatever the things are being covered parallel, you can see through those things later. So how actually the linear search works here is, it will go on searching the elements from beginning to the end, and we will look for the corresponding item. So we look for some item and we'll find whether the item is present in the array or not. So basically in the linear search, we are going to find the location of the element, so where actually the element is present. So this is the sample algorithm or the procedure for linear search. We are just trying to find the item, whether the item is or any given key element is present in the array or not. So say for example, this is one array of elements in one scenario. This is some array of elements, and these are some of the names which are present in the array: Mary, Jane, and so on. So if you want to search any of the elements, so if you give the name which is present in this array, then only it will be successful. If you give some other name called Rakesh, so Rakesh is not available in this particular list, then search will be not successful. So how do we do searching in linear search? We go on comparing from the beginning of the array. Then the search will be successful or unsuccessful based on the presence of the array element, or the element whether it is present in the list or not. Say for example, I'll take one array A here. One array A is being considered, which is having a size of 5, and these are the index values, right? These are the index values. Now say it is having elements 5, 3, 2, 9, and 11, and key element which you want to search. The key element which we want to search here is say 9. So how the searching will take place? If A of I is it equal to key? That is what is simple procedure for the linear search. First we'll read all the elements from the user and store those elements in an array. So we know that array indexing will start from 0. So the I will be ranging from 0, 1, 2 up to maximum value. So for the initial value of I0, we'll compare like this. That is whether A of 0 is it equal to key. What is key? Key is 9. What is A of 0? A of 0 is 5. So it is not equal to 9. So search is not successful at the first iteration. Later we will increment the value of I, then I will be 1. So for 0 it is not successful. Then compare with the next index value, whether A of 1 is it equal to 9? No. Then compare the next element after incrementing the value of I is A of 2. Is it equal to key? What is key? Key is 9. Key is still 9. So when you compare A of 2, what is A of 2? A of 2 is 2. Is not equal to, so it condition is failing. The condition fails. So here also such is comparison is not successful. So comparison is not successful. So later the value of I will become 3. So now compare A of 3. Is it equal to key? So what is key? Key is 9. What is A of 3 here? A of 3 is 9. So this is the place where we have found the key element. This is the place where we have found the key element and the search is successful. This is how the linear search works. Now say the key element to be found is 91. The key element to be found is 91. At this iteration also the search will be not successful because A of 3 is 9. It is not 91. So again the comparison is going to fail here. Later we'll increment the value of I. So I has become